Guys, I've been working on the Monte Carlo today. I only had a couple hours to work on it, and I'm out of time. I got to start putting up tools. Time for lunch and time for a nap. Did get this piece tacked in here. I got to finish welding it. Excuse me, guys. I got a cough and it wouldn't go away. Then I got to build my piece right here, which I'll take some cardboard and cut that out and leave it long so I can grind it and make it smooth. That's the only way I'm probably going to be able to do these complex curves like that. Then down here, and I'm going to tell you, I don't like how I did this at all, but it's going to work. I can't really get a good shot of it, but underneath here, the factory built, A-frame, and it has humps in it. Well, there's no way that I could get behind it and weld to it and recreate the humps. So I've laid this piece in here, which is not going to affect anything else I've done. And then when I have the kitty here, I'll fill it in because I already sprayed rust top back there, and I'll just sand it as smooth as possible and call it good. It's going to be covered up with the cell panel anyway for the headliner. I didn't like it, still don't like it, but that's the only option I had. Then I got this piece cut, which is too long. It's too long on the wrong end. I got to add a little piece to it in the middle, and then I'll take this piece and I'll lay that corner trim piece for the back window on here and mark it, and I'll grind that to fit, and it won't bother me a bit if it's sunk into the quarter panel, because this piece is going to be tacked to it. That's the only way I can figure out how to fix it. I'm not sure that that's right, and I'm not telling anybody else to fix their stuff that way. I'm just saying that's how I'm going to have to do it on this car without removing the whole quarter panel. I'm doing the best I can, trying to do, fix it the right way as best as I can, but sometimes you just have to do what you have to do, and I don't like it, but I'm going to have to live with it. So that's what I've been doing. More rust. Okay, guys, I do want to ask y'all some questions, and I want your comments. I mentioned something about getting a four barrel intake for this pickup. Well, after some people said something, which it doesn't hurt my feelings one bit, after people said something, I got on eBay, and they have a new performance 2-barrel carburetor that looks just like the one that's on here, and it runs about $90 shipped to the door, free shipping. So I went to the auto parts store, and it's about $35, $36 for a rebuild kit for the carburetor I got. So should I put a 4-barrel on here, or should I keep it to 2 and try to keep it as original as possible? Now, keep in mind, it's not the original 327 in this truck. It's the 305. Not too many people notice a difference, really. But y'all comment on that. What should I do? Keep it 2-barrel or put a 4-barrel on it? Another quick thing. My can organizer. I got a bunch of good comments about my can organizer. A lot of people liked it and everything like that. Well, I'm not going to be able to go get the material to finish this until Friday, so it might be Monday or Tuesday before I jump back on this. My play money in my budget is gone until Friday. Every paycheck, I tell my money where it's going to go. I put so much aside for groceries, so much aside for play money, and my play money's gone because I'm going to have to save for the deductible on that Dodge until Friday. So I won't be able to go get the 1-inch strap, but I am going to continue working on this, and I'm going to continue to show this. If I can get it perfected, And if y'all really like it, let me know, and I can put one together for y'all. Y'all have to measure your cabinet, and you're going to leave, measure your cabinet, and you're going to, maybe minus 3/8 of an inch. So when it's sitting in your cabinet, the cabinet door will shut. So you don't mind building them. Don't mind charging y'all a special subscriber price. I'm not going to lose money on it. So don't go thinking I'm going to just give them away. But if I perfect it and y'all like it, please email me. I'll put my email in the description again. But anyway, this video is starting to get a little long. So if you like what I'm doing, please like, comment, subscribe. And like I said, I'll get the metal probably Friday and probably work on this Monday or Tuesday, weather permitting. I can't use my inside of my shop right now. My seats are in there, and that's slowing down a lot of work that I need to do. I'm having to do everything outside. So please hit that thumbs up, comment, give me some criticism, and I'll see y'all in the next one.